Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Buxton, local and long distance movers near me. By choosing 3 Movers as your local moving company, you can enjoy a stress free relocation experience. At 3 Movers, they understand that long distance moves require extra care and attention. That's why their Buxton long distance 3 Movers are well trained in handling the challenges of moving across greater distances. From the moment your belongings are packed to the final delivery at your new destination, 3 Movers ensures your possessions are protected and secured throughout the journey. No matter the distance of your move, 3 Movers has the necessary skills and resources to ensure a smooth and efficient relocation. They employ advanced moving techniques and use high-quality packing materials to safeguard your belongings from any potential damage. You can also have peace of mind knowing that your precious items, whether furniture, fragile items, or valuable possessions, are in capable hands. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Buxton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.